Hey guys, today I will be doing some jerk pork, but this time I'm going to do it different. I am going to do it in the oven. I'm not going to go outside on the grill this time. I'm going to try this oven jerk pork. So let's go. So I'm adding some of my complete blended season. Which is ginger, onion, scallion, thyme, pimento, you name it. All the earth seasoning, pepper, and all of those. So I call it my complete seasoning. So I'm putting some chili powder. In with some chili powder. In with some paprika powder. Then I'm gonna go in with some all-purpose as well. Then I'm gonna dash a little salt to taste. Yeah. Followed by a chips of browning. Ooh, that's a lot. It may look like a lot, but it's not. Then I'm gonna go in with a good rub. I'm going to give this a good rub, guys. I need you to stick and stay with me and see how this jerk pork, this oven jerk pork turn out. Because you know I'm always on my grill jerking. Yeah, but this time I decided to try the oven jerk pork. Alrighty, so I'm going to leave this to marinate for a couple hours. You don't know, overnight is the best. Alright, but let's leave this to marinate. Alrighty. So after my pork has been marinated, I'm going to just lay them nicely in my tray. Alright now guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover with my foil and just place this under the oven. Alrighty guys, so we're just going to place this in our oven. So I had left this for an hour and a half. So I just removed it from the oven. So I'm going to check on it now. Alright. Yup, looking good. So I'm going to remove the cover and I'm just going to set this back under the oven. And the next 20 minutes, I'm going to flip them over. Checking in with our jerk pork, looking lovely. Alright guys, so our oven jerk pork is finished. Alright, so if that guys, I'm going to chop this up now one thing. Cut it in some small size so we can get to dive into into it right. Our jerk pork is looking lovely, as if I do it on the grill. Trust me. Brown and nice. Look at that, guys. Woo! Lovely. So you know I'm going to dive into some of this right now, yeah? Look at that. Right, I eat that, guys. So right now, guys, I make a nice little sauce. I'm going to go ahead and, you know, dash out some on this and enjoy it. Oven jerk pork. Alright, we are always doing pork on our grill, but today we decided to try the oven jerk pork, and guys, it really turned out good. Trust me.